learners. This is Sunil Vishwakarma, and today's topic is working with operators. Let's see, operators are special symbols that works on data or say variable, means A to Z, or say age, salary. No, these are variable names. If you want to work on these, data or say variable, you should know about operators, because each operator perform its own specific function. Let's talk about working with division operator and remainder operator. Okay, working with division operator and remainder operator. Let's see. Both operator are used for division purpose. Okay, are used for division purpose, but the result they return is different. Okay, now look at the basic structure of division. There is a divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Okay, this is a basic structure of division. Let's take a look on how they are different in working functionality. First one, this forward slash. Okay, if you use forward slash, this operator returns quotient part in float type. It means with decimal. जो भी आंसर देगा ये with decimal के थ्रू देगा. If 11 divided by 5, then quotient is 2.5. It means कि 2.5 पे ये क्या हो जाएगा, रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा, सॉरी क्वेश्चन पार्ट आ जाएगा. वैसे अगर हम इसको कंप्लीट फॉर्म में देखें तो इसका आंसर आना चाहिए 5 to the 10, 0.5 to the 10, 2.2, I think 2.2. Let's solve the same thing. Five divided by 11 divided by 5. A equal to 5, B equal to 11, C equal to, if I use this forward slash, B divided by A, 11 divided by 5. Then the result is print C. Division operator, OPERATO operators 1. C. I'm right. 2.2 कंप्लीट डिवीजन के बाद जो देगा वो आंसर देगा. 2.0 ना होके ये क्या रहेगा, 2.2. 2.2 होना चाहिए था इसका आंसर. ये पूरा ही पूरा 2.2 होना चाहिए था. ये कितना हो गया, 2.0 हो गया. तो इसको अभी हम 2.2 कर देते हैं. See, it returned 2.2. returns 2.2. okay, now यानी कि पहले पूरा कंप्लीट डिवाइड करेगा, उसके बाद ही आंसर देगा. 11 divided by 5, the answer is 2.2. 11 divided by 5, if I use this one, then it written 2.2. Now let's take another example. Another example is 11, a equal to 11, b equal to 3. Now there are two cases. If I'm using forward slash, and second I'm using percentile sign or say percentage sign. See, through complete one. Now 3 3 ja 9, 2 remainder 0.0, 3 6 ja 18, 3 6 ja 18, तो ये बार में चला जाता है, तो सिंपल आंसर आ जाएगा 3.66. Now if I use this one, percentile or say percentage, then 3 3 ja 9 point this, remainder 2 0, after putting decimal it becomes 0, 3 6 ja 18, again 2 remainder, decimal is there, 8 20, now 3 6 ja 18, तो आपका क्या आएगा, 2 बार बार रिमाइंडर आता रहेगा, तो इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा 2, बिकॉज दिस पार्ट रिटर्न्स रिमाइंडर पार्ट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल using BODMAS rule. If the question are in different format, if there are more than 2 variables, then we should use BODMAS rule. Okay, we should use BODMAS rule. For example, if a equal to 5, b equal to 10, c equal to 2 and d equal to 3, then find the value of f. Okay, now f equal to a into b divided by c minus d. Use BODMAS rule. BODMAS stands for bracket of division, multiply, addition and subtraction. Now f equal to value of a into value of b divided by value of c minus value of d. See, this is a expression. We have to put all the values according to given expression. Now solve the first part. There is no bracket, there is no of. We should start from division. This is a part of division. Okay, 5, see, 2, ना 2 5 जा 10, 0 पर ये पॉइंट में आंसर देता है, इट रिटर्न्स पॉइंट में आंसर देता है, तो ये क्या देगा 5.0. तो यहाँ पे इसी वजह से 5.0 लिखा गया है. सी, नेक्स्ट सॉल्व दिस पार्ट, मल्टीप्लाई पार्ट, this part. Okay, this part, so it becomes 25.0 and last 25.0 minus 3. तो इसको कैसे करेंगे, कई बच्चे इसके बाद लिख लेते हैं, ऐसा नहीं करना है, बेसिक रूल ही आप लोगों को अप्लाई करना है. द बेसिक रूल इज पॉइंट के बाद जो भी आएगा उसको आप ठीक है, दिस इज योर 25.0, इसमें से 3 माइनस करना है, माइनस 3.0, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं आप 0.3 2, 2. The answer is 22.0 or say 22.00. Okay. Let's solve the problem. Now, A equal to 5, B equal to 10, C equal to 2, D equal to 3, and the expression is F equal to A into B divided by C minus D. Print F. See the answer, 22.5. Let's suppose if I put this sign over here, then result is 10 divided by 2. 2 5 ja 10, and it takes remainder part and the answer is 0. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. अगर मैं यहाँ पे ये यूज करता हूँ तो इतने पार्ट का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. तो 0 इंटू 0 0 है ना, और -3, 0 minus 3, answer -3. Let's do that. If I put this one, the answer is -3. Okay. Bye students.